the sun to make an edit. Make apologies a title on the way. When you keep the credit, you're a thief, but it's okay. Notify your next again. Let them know the house got dimmed again. Open up a window, let us in and you'll be okay. I don't wanna see you serve a table. Disallow a love cause you're unable to admit I may be a little bolder than you're capable of. I know I'm never late. I don't wanna compromise. I don't wanna compromise. You were never automatic. Could've quit you on the day you hit my face. You get problematic.
I wasn't entirely sure if I wanted to do this, but now I'm pretty sure that you want to see it. Welcome to the cabin that we stayed at the last 5 nights. This is the main cabin that we stayed at. It is fully wooden and has a fireplace in the middle to heat it. It has no electricity apart from a car battery with an inverter, which doesn't really count. And now I'm going to show you the inside. That's a quick overview. There isn't much to it. It's wooden and it has essentially 4 beds, although this is kind of tight for 2 people. We managed it because we live in a tent. It has an open fireplace here in the middle, which makes this place really, really hot, really quickly. On the other side of that, we have a wooden... On the other side here, we have a wood stove arrangement, which also works tremendously well. We cooked mostly on this, although there is a gas for cooking place over here, as well as a fridge. They have a fridge, which works really well. And yeah, it's a cabin in the woods. Here we have the outhouse, which is a composting toilet. Well, yeah, you do your thing. Nothing more to say about this. Over here we have a not quite done wood shelter. Oh, and we haven't seen a person. We only get like 5 or 10 cars driving past each day. This is the sauna with the main... Hang on. With the main terrace in front, and also a Kelly kettle style water boiler, which works a treat. We didn't believe it. It makes boiling hot water in very little time, and a lot of it. So the sauna. It is, as you'd expect, wooden and Finnish. And it's currently very warm in there, because we have to dry out our sleeping bags before we leave. Down here we have yet another fireplace, which we didn't use because we are outside all the time. Why would we? And of course, the main attraction, the lake. We've been on the lake 3 or 4 times in total on the boat, and well, we haven't seen a single person around the lake apart from us in the 6 days that we've spent here. Did we like the stay?
Absolutely, yes.
Lots of thumb. Here's George, by the way. So if you're ever planning on visiting Finland, I think this is probably the way to do it. We link the cabin on Airbnb below, and we would definitely come back here. Nyak. Just a little exit statement here. We have traveled through a fair share of countries in Europe, and we both think that in Finland it might actually be a good idea to rent a hut rather than to do the whole road trip thing. Main reason for that is it's very flat and woody and lakey. And the woods are nice, but they are very wild, so you don't really find off-road trails easily. And the lakes are mostly ingrown, with only private roads having access, which all lead to houses. So you can't really get to the lakes. And by renting a cabin, as we did, we have all the amenities of 4 walls, as well as access to the lake. And to be fair, there's not much difference in camping in a car and having a cabin that has no electricity and you have to make a fire every time you want warm water. So it's not cheating as such.